Know precisely when and where rodent activity occurs with IQ products powered by Bell Sensing Technologies. A complete line of rodent control devices, now with integrated sensing technology. IQ products have proprietary integrated sensors that record activity and generate timestamps. The Bell Sensing Technologies optimized mobile app, available on any iOS or Android mobile device, collects data from sensors that capture rodent activity and service records in one fast step. Account information resides in your customized portal, where PMPs can set rules for the account, review data, monitor results, and communicate with customers. The IQ product lineup. Express IQ. Know exactly when rodents are entering and leaving a bait station. Transform your existing express bait stations into rodent data gathering machines by simply replacing the tray. 24/7 IQ. Spend time conducting proper IPM and customer service, not checking empty traps. T-Rex IQ. Place T-Rex IQ traps in hard-to-reach locations where rodents are actually traveling and never check an empty trap again. IQ technology integrates seamlessly without changing your business model. EMPs can afford to use IQ products for any type of account, big or small. IQ products are extremely weatherproof and waterproof, easy to install on-site, and do not require Wi-Fi passwords or expensive and complicated gateway equipment. Bell's IQ products work with the technician on-site, giving them the information needed for superior rodent control, enhanced customer service, and more intelligent recommendations to protect their customers. IQ products, powered by Bell Sensing Technologies. Technology simplified for every account. Available at your local pest control distributor.